Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome everybody. Today, inshallah, our lesson is a grammar lesson from Unit 9. It's a comprehensive explanation about comparative and superlative. In a previous lesson, we explained how to use more, less, and few. Today, we will have the remaining parts, but in a simpler way, inshallah. Let's start with the comprehensive form. With a comparative form, sorry. Comparative form is normally used if you want to compare two things, people, etc. When we compare using short words, one syllable. Do you remember the meaning of one syllable? We explained that earlier. Uh, Try to remember. Okay, focus. The word fat, the word tall, the word high. All of them are adjectives. It's all of them are one syllable. For example, fat, tall, and so on. If we have a one syllable adjective, we add er plus than at the end, of course, of the adjective. For example, he is taller than me. Another one, my car is cheaper than your car. If an adjective ends in one vowel plus consonant, do you remember the vowel? The face, the shape of face. We double the consonant and add er, like big, bigger. The word ends by ig. I is a vowel, g is a consonant. So we double the last consonant g and then add er. And never forget than, bigger than. And so on. Hot, hotter, hotter than, thin, thinner, than, fat, fatter. If an adjective ends with a y, we change it to I and add er, like happy, happier, funny, funnier, easy, easier, ugly, uglier, and also don't forget than. When we compare two things or people using long words, it means two or more syllables, we add more plus adjective and never also forget the word than. Maria is more beautiful. Beautiful, of course, is an adjective, but it's a long one. Than Jennifer. Can we say beautifuler? Well, it doesn't make sense, right? Yes, because it's more than one syllable. So, Maria is more beautiful than Jennifer. This book is more interesting than that book. Now, you have some irregular adjectives, okay? Irregular, like good, better, best. Comparative form is better, superlative form is best. You will know now the meaning of superlative. Mister, we talked it earlier. Yes, I remind you with them again. Write the comparative forms. Interesting. Yes, interestinger. Interestinger. Mister, I have never heard about this word. Yes, of course. Nothing is called interestinger. It should be more interesting. Short, shorter. Far, farther. Yes, I have told you about it. Expensive, more expensive. Yes, because it's what? More than one syllable. Very good. Let's move. If you want to compare three or more things, people, etc., you use the superlative. Yes. When using short words, one syllable, we add the adjective est. Like, the red car is the fastest of all, or in the group. The red car is the fast, an adjective, est. So, fastest. Where then? No than here. It's not a comparative form, it's a superlative. Yes. The dinosaur is the tallest. Let's move. When using long words, two or more syllables, we add the most plus adjective. Yes, we explained that earlier. Very good. He is the most intelligent student in the class. She is the most beautiful girl in the world. Irregular adjectives change: good, best, bad, worst, far, farthest. Um, Farthest can be with you or a. Both are correct. Little, least. Write the comparative forms. Creative, creativist. Does it make sense? Of course not, because it's a long adjective. Very good. So it should be most creative. Tidy, tidiest. And don't forget to change the Y into I. Here are some examples of short adjectives, and then let's move to the long adjectives. Also, adjectives, comparative, superlative, interesting, more interesting, most interesting, and so on. This PowerPoint will be sent to you on the Microsoft Teams, inshallah. Write the comparative form of the given adjectives. Comparative. Don't, not, sorry, not the superlative. Yes. Which of the adjectives are irregular? Have you memorized the five irregular adjectives? Yes. It will be also like an exercise. What is it called? This I know that we had it last term. Yes, we took it last term. It's called, if you remember, who can remind me? Yes, similarity. As Sandy, I want to say that both of them are beautiful. How to say that? Sandy, yes, as the auxiliary or the verb. As beautiful as Pamela. Very good. Sandy is as beautiful as Pamela. Good. Jordan fat Tom. How to say? Yes, it's written good. Tom is as fat as Jordan. Don't say Tom is as fat Jordan. With the last as, don't forget it. Now we have reached the last part of our lesson today. Thank you everybody and see you soon inshallah. Bye bye.